and the early steps in Cardano's journey to optimize decentralization. So what we saw with Shelley was the introduction of delegation and incentives and driving stake pool community adoption, and as we were long anticipating, what came out I think last June in 2020, proof of stake on the mainnet. This allowed and encouraged users to delegate. This allowed and encouraged users to delegate their stake to stake pools. And I think this is a good time for me to jump in and say, if you appreciate what we do here, consider delegating to our Aspen stake pool down below. So one thing I want to point out is that most blockchain networks right now that have proof of stake are controlled by less than 10 mining pools. But the goal of the Cardano roadmap and of Shelley is to try and reach an equilibrium of about 1,000 stake pools. If you look on data lists right now at the Blockchain Explorer, you'll see well over 1,000 right now. So this sets the stage for a fully distributed network. Let's take a look next at Goguen. So Goguen, which is, it's actually being done in development in parallel right now. We haven't moved to Goguen yet, but we're starting to see releases coming out towards getting Goguen fully released and transitioned. It's all about smart contracts. So the integration of smart contracts, Shelley was focused on decentralization. Goguen adds the ability to build decentralized applications, or dApps, on Cardano's solid foundation. So when it's done, it's going to allow users from technical and non-technical backgrounds to create and execute financial smart contracts on the Cardano network. So if you're a developer, you can use Plutus, which is a purpose-built smart contract and development language. And actually, if you're interested, Plutus is already available for testing, so that's pretty cool. Now, if you're not a developer, wider audiences can use Marlowe, which allows financial and business experts with no previous technical knowledge to create smart contracts. So Marlowe is a purpose-built language, a domain-specific language, and it's built on top of Plutus, but you don't have to be a developer to use it. So additional goals here for our Goguen release are to enable users to create and natively support tokens. So this is pretty cool. It'll allow the creation of fungible and non-fungible tokens and support the creation of new cryptocurrencies on Cardano. So ADA will still be the primary cryptocurrency on Cardano, but we'll now see users be able to build their own tokens on top of the Cardano network. Next is Basho. So Basho is all about scaling. So whereas we've seen a bunch of really exciting developments in Byron, Shelley, and Goguen, Basho is all about taking that to scale. So it's an era of optimization, improving